Erwin, there have been other objections raised to the way the trial was conducted, and these were not brought up by Randy. I want to be clear, but they include the fact that there was some pressure or criticism of Judge Marchand for not recusing himself because of the case being made that he had made a donation to a political organization that was sympathetic to the Democrats, and $35 and $15 went to, I think, to a political campaign. What about, does that have any concern for you in terms of the vulnerability of this case to stand up?
There had been an ethics ruling explicitly that the judge was not disqualified on the basis of this. Let's face it, $50 is de minimis, and it isn't a sufficient basis for saying that the judge was biased. And that's what had been previously ruled as a matter of ethics before Judge Marchand tried the case.
There was one other critique that was raised, and that was the fact that this trial took place in New York, that there was no way for Donald Trump to get a fair trial in New York City because of the political disposition of the New York population, voting population.
There is absolutely no basis in the law for that argument, because then it would say that no conservative can be tried in New York or no liberal can be tried in Mississippi. There was the proper jury selection process, and I cannot imagine any court ever accepting the argument that the overall ideology of a city is a sufficient basis for their concluding that there's a biased jury. My guess is on this, Randy and I will agree.